to show you guys really quickly how to make a hanging indent in your research papers. Okay, this is my son's research paper, so I'm just going to show you really quickly on here. Do not select all, because that will select your entire research paper. Instead, highlight everything on your Works Cited page, and if it's 2 or 3 pages long, just make sure you get all of it. Okay. When you're done with that, see this little triangle up here at the top? Pull it over to 1/2 inch. Now this shows you where everything's going to line up on the left-hand side. The rectangle above the triangle here shows you where your first line will start. Okay, so we're going to take that one all by itself and drag it backwards. That's it. You now have a hanging indent. That's all there is to it. It's hard to explain unless you can see what's going on here. Alright. Now you guys give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Bye.